In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Retrieve in Docusign Esignature. Now, whether you're working in a small business or managing documents for a large organization, mastering this process can save you time and ensure that your digital agreements are securely and readily accessible. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in docusign.com. Docusign is recognized as the leader in electronic signature solutions and intelligent agreement management, so you're certainly in the right place to handle your electronic documents. Once you've arrived at the Docusign homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it and sign in with your credentials. This step is vital to ensure that you have access to all your previously saved documents and agreements within your account. After you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign home. From here, find your way to the section titled Agreements. This option will lead you to a comprehensive view of all your documents and customize your actions according to your needs. Now that you're in the Agreements section, you'll want to locate a specific document. Do this by making use of the search bar, which allows you to type in the details of the document you're looking to retrieve. Simply enter the title, keywords, or any unique identifiers that are relevant to the document in question. This will make your search process swift and efficient. Once you've entered your search parameters, click on the Search button. This action will pull up any documents matching your input, making it easy to spot exactly what you're looking for among potentially numerous agreements. When you've found the document, you'll notice there's an option to download it. Click on this button to begin the retrieval process. Docusign provides a hassle-free way to download your documents directly to your device, ensuring you can access them offline, whether for review or for sharing with stakeholders. Finally, once the download is complete, you'll have successfully retrieved your completed document. At this point, you're free to view, print, or share the document as needed. Keep in mind, keeping your digital files organized and secure is crucial in maintaining a streamlined workflow. And there you have it. We're done with our walkthrough on how to use Docusign Retrieve in Docusign Esignature. With this tool at your fingertips, managing and retrieving electronic documents has never been more intuitive. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage with these processes, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you're interested in learning more, stay tuned and don't forget to check back for more instructional content.